Mateo, what are you doing? Now what are you gonna do? You're trapped? Whoa! Hey, strong man. You're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get trapped under there. It doesn't hurt? Ow! Oof. What do you think you're doing? You are trouble, aren't you? Yeah, trouble. What are you doing, buddy? Ugh. Okay, I think I better put it up. Say bye-bye. Bye.